Hey guys, in this part we learn exception and try-catch blocks in C#. When executing C# code, different errors can occur. Coding errors made by the programmer, errors due to wrong input or other unforeseeable things. When an error occurs, C# will normally stop and generate an error message. The technical term for this is C# will throw an exception. The try and catch. The try statement allows you to define a block of code to be tested for errors while it is being executed. The catch statement allows you to define a block of code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. So, the try and catch keywords come in pairs: try and code block and catch, and code block and get exception in here. Consider the following example where we create an array of 3 integers. So int array my numbers equal to 1 and 2 and 3, and console dot write line my numbers 10 index, and control F5 and hold an exception system dot index out of range exception. Index was outside the bounds of the array. If an error occurs, we can use try catch to catch the error and execute some code to handle it. In this example, we use the variable inside the catch block e together with built-in message property, which outputs a message that describes the exception. So I cut this code and paste here, and in here console.writeLine e.message property, and control F5. The message says index was outside the bounds of the array. You can also output your own error message. For example, console.writeLine something went wrong, and control F5, something went wrong. Finally, the finally statement lets you execute code after try catch regardless of the result. So finally in here, after the catch and console.writeLine, the try catch is finished, and control F5. After the something went wrong, the try catch is finished. The throw keyword. The throw statement allows you to create a custom error. The throw statement is used together with an exception class. There are many exception classes available in C#. Arithmetic exception, file not found exception, index of out of range exception, and etc. So I comment this code and create a method void check age and get age as parameter, and if age less than 18 throw an error, throw new error, arithmetic exception, and the message is access denied. You must be at least 18 years old. And else console.writeLine access generated. You are old enough, and call the method 2 times. Check age, the first is 15, and check age 20 and Control F5. In the 50 we have an error, system.arithmetic exception, access denied, you must be at least 18 years old. And for CDs I cut these codes and paste in try catch block and get in here and console dot write line e dot message property. So Control F5, access denied, you must be at least 18 years old, and we have an error in here, and go to catch. And if I cut this call and paste here, Control F5, access generated, you're old enough, and access denied for check age with 15 argument, access denied, you must be at least 18 years old.